Introducing the new Timbren SES Suspension Enhancement System Kit GMR15MR. This new Timbren SES kit fits the 2019 Chevrolet and GMC 1500 pickup truck equipped with adaptive ride control, and it fits the rear suspension of both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. Part number GMR15MR is an easy bolt-on installation, mounting to the truck frame using existing OEM holes. Just like all other Timbren SES kits, this Timbren no-maintenance upgrade prevents sag, reduces sway, and enhances the ride quality under a load without compromising the unloaded ride quality. And here at Timbren, we've got your back. That's why all Timbren SES kits come with a lifetime warranty and a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. For more information, visit Timbren.com.